There really are no qualifications to obtain a service animal. The decision to obtain a service animal is a decision made by the person with a disability. In order to be protected by the Americans with Disabilities Act, the service animal does have to perform a task related to an individual's disability. Disability, for purposes of the Americans with Disabilities Act, means a physical or mental impairment that substantially limits one or more major life activities of the individual. A major life activity means functions such as caring for oneself, performing manual tasks, walking, seeing, hearing, speaking, breathing, learning, and working.